Welcome to Study Quick. Two aircraft, A and B, leave position X at 51 degrees north, 2 degrees east, heading to position Y. Aircraft A flies due north until it reaches the 5-6 degrees north parallel, then flies west to Y. Aircraft B flies west to 8 degrees west longitude, then flies due north to Y. We'll determine which aircraft flies the shortest distance and by how much. Let us solve it. First, calculate the distance flown by aircraft A, north leg. Aircraft A flies due north from 51 degrees north to 56 degrees north. The distance traveled is the change in latitude times 60 nautical miles. So change in latitude is equal to 56 degrees minus 51 degrees equals 5 degrees. Distance is equal to 5 multiplied by 60 is equal to 300 nautical miles. To calculate the distance flown by aircraft A on the west leg along the 56 degrees north parallel for 10 degrees of longitude, use the formula. Distance equals change in longitude times 60 times cosine of latitude. Distance equals 10 times 60 times cosine 56 degrees. The cosine of 56 degrees is approximately 0.559. So, the distance is roughly 10 times 60 times 0.559, which equals 335.51 nautical miles. Adding this to the north leg distance of 300 nautical miles, the total distance flown by aircraft A is 635.51 nautical miles. Aircraft B now flies west, starting from 2 degrees east longitude to 8 degrees west longitude. That is a change of 10 degrees of longitude along latitude 51 degrees north. To calculate the distance flown, we multiply the change in longitude by 60 and then by the cosine of the latitude. Distance equals 10 times 60 times cos 51 degrees. The cosine of 51 degrees is approximately 0.629. Hence, distance equals 10 times 60 times 0.629, giving 377.59 nautical miles. Next, aircraft B changes direction and flies north, from 51 degrees north to 56 degrees north. The difference in latitude is 5 degrees. Since 1 degree of latitude equals 60 nautical miles, the distance flown is 5 times 60, which equals 300 nautical miles. The total distance flown by aircraft B is the sum of the west leg and the north leg, which is 377.59 plus 300. Giving 677.59 nautical miles. The difference in distance is 677.59 minus 635.51, which equals 42.08 nautical miles. Aircraft A flies the shorter distance by approximately 42 nautical miles. So, aircraft A's route is shorter by about 42 nautical miles compared to aircraft B.